Do you want to know how you can sign up to your Talk Dirty AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Talk Dirty AI. Go ahead and search for Talk Dirty AI sign up and click on this link which is called Dirty Talk. After that, you can see that this is a AI page. You can see my profile over here on the bottom hand side. Go ahead and click my profile, and in order for you to sign in or sign up, you must have a Google account, and you can see sign in with Google over here. Click on this over here, and then it will take you to the login portal. Click on your Google account and click continue to, there is an AI for that, which is your Talk Dirty AI. Now you can click on these options over here, or you can click on the last one and click continue. Click next again. Go ahead and click next until you save your preference. And this is how you sign up for your talkdirty.ai account. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.